Jay.
Let's know how far you there.
But soon reach him, I'm there on the corner.
Look how long you tell me that. Hurry up, man.
Look at my last, me let me take a wrong turn somewhere.
Me there right round the corner. From where you say you're there from when?
I soon come, I'm soon come. Look at my almost reach.
Stop telling me that I reached the man, Gladstone. Sure.
Let's calm down, the man, you always miserable. Love miserable yourself, so. Boy, if I saw she had a miserable murder, boy. Take the left. But when I see a brother story when I saw. Mind you last two, you know. Back side I go on so. She said she around the corner. Come around the corner, I'm gonna see her. Where Jade? Oh, sorry. Hi baby. Fix your face now, I'm here. What?
What you mean? You know, sister Google send me a wrong place. Me don't know where me there.
Jay, calm down now.
Me Gladstone, me can't calm down. Cause me not get me dress. Oh, Jesus Christ. Me I see two bike man a pass me. Jesus Christ, me swear to rob them, I can't rob me. No, man.
Jay, what people right back all the while and them not must rob you. Want to the courier service them.
Gladstone.
Babe, just calm down, Jay. Them things happen some of the time.
What you mean them things that happen some of the time? How much bridesmaid your get lost and look for Chuck.
Babe, you're just anxious for the day. Alright? On the day, trust me, it will be worth it. Alright? Oh, by the way, babe, Masu said you guys had a good talk.
What?
Yeah. She told me that you guys sat down and talked about everything, you know, had a good time.
We never have no good time. Nothing in that conversation or that talk. We will have nothing never good about it.
What do you mean?
She's very judgmental. Very judgmental.
Masu? Judgmental?
No,
you sure?
No, Fasu.
Babe, everything is there for a joke. What wrong with you?
When me there joke boy, when me talk about bike, I never joke a while ago.
Really, Jay? Where do I get that from? Because she tell me so on the talk. You guys had a very good time. And our spirit take you. Hence the reason why she gave us the blessings. Right? So, I don't understand what's going on.
Well, my spirit not take her.
Jay, you sure now you will be judgmental? You said the lady judge you, but no, it's not like you are judge her. One.
No. Just.
You know, it's just because you're anxious about the wedding, you think them things, alright?
We just want the day come and done, Gladstone, because it has stressed me out.
It will come, just calm down, no? You can't just put so much things in my head, babe.
As long as she not come in a movie, I don't have no problem with her.
You know, you have no problem.
I go watch her.
That's not necessary enough to watch her. That is totally not necessary.
So, I see I feel like me eye?
Everything you take for joke, don't it?
Can you talk about joke?
What do you want for dinner? You hungry? Let's go get something to eat.
Yeah, I'm hungry. But, I'm here to treat you today.
You actually want to?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
You so what you want for dinner?
Yeah. Feel for some Italian.
Huh?
Yeah, Italian.
That's time. I say me I give you dinner that you have to just go away pack you can't reach. You can't reach this one. I'm sorry.
Seriously, babe?
You want two patty? I do.
Take everything for joke, you know. Alright, here what? I'll treat us to dinner tonight. Alright?
Why you insist?
Yeah.
But since you insist, alright, you no problem.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Have you ever had Italian before?
No.
Trust me, you're gonna love it. I know this bad Italian place. But in a Ligani. I'm not telling you the name yet because you know it's a surprise. Whereas you never have it before, trust me, it's to die for.
But we need to sort out my dress. So.
Can do it tomorrow. Yeah, so 6 o'clock in the morning, come pick you up and we'll get it started out, okay? Let's calm down.
Go over. I can't come here, please.
Yeah, sure.